Hey guys, it's Cam again. I'm back with another kit. This time it is a beaded sari bundle, and I can do multiples of these. Oops, I forgot that from the other kit. I can do multiples of these, so I have quite a few. So if you want more than one, let me know. And it's going to come wrapped up in a nice piece of silk sari, and then we're going to open it up. And we're going to see how pretty things are in here. It's so pretty. So there's a lot of silk and there's a lot of beaded pieces. It's a 25-piece kit. I don't know if my lighting is going to be good for this kit, but I will do my best. It will come with a couple of these pieces. So just, and if you don't get these in your kit, if I end up doing quite a few and you don't get these, then you'll get something equally as nice. Same with this one. So these will be in like the first probably 7 kits, 6 or 7 kits. And then after that, they'll just be something else. So, but it'll be equally as nice. So these are the first 3 pieces right here. Everything else is a really good size. This is beautiful. It is on blue velvet. It's absolutely gorgeous. So there's going to be a lot to work with in this kit. This is beautiful. It's like a rust color. And it's got the mirrors on it, as you can see. And beautiful pearls. These are all pearls on here. So pretty. This is just gorgeous, and this I had a hard time cutting because I just absolutely love the colors. It's so beautiful, and this is all like just amazing beadwork on here, and it's very like a dark cherry red, so the camera is not picking it up as nice as it really is, so kind of bear with that. It's a darker cherry red than what's showing up, and this is like a beautiful turquoise color. And it's got all this lovely rhinestone bling on it and all these tiny little seed beads. It's just beautiful. So there's a nice big piece of that, and then there's a piece of this, which I love. These are plastic, they're not mirrors, and I cut it this way because of the motifs, and I wanted to make sure you got 2 of the little ones and 1 of the big round ones. This was the end piece, I didn't cut that. So I tried to cut them so you get the most out of a piece. Super pretty. And then this is similar to the rusty one, but it's in green, and it's like a lime green, and then it's got the mirrors and the pearls and the rhinestones. And then this is a beautiful piece of turquoise silk. I think it's silk. It feels like it. And then it's got this lovely band on the bottom. But this is great for snippets, and it's very sparkly, as you can see in the camera. This is gorgeous. It's a dark navy blue. It's absolutely beautiful. And then this is gold on the bottom. But you know, you could make a mini journal out of that, just out of that piece right there. Or that piece. You could make a journal out of that easily. And then there's a couple of pieces that look similar. There's this piece here, and then this one. Very heavily beaded, so sparkly, tons of sequins on both of those. This is, I don't know what color, yeah, that looks red in the camera. It's not red, it is like a hot pink. But it definitely looks red in the camera, but it's not. It is hot pink. But it's so pretty. Really nice quality. And then there is this piece. And then there is this beautiful piece. I love this fabric. It's like a turquoise and gray, and then this has a beautiful rhinestone in the center and blue like aquamarine beads. This is a piece of Cantha quilt, which everybody loves. So there's a piece of that in there. This is a very heavily beaded piece, and I left the backing on it, so you've also got a piece of black fabric. So it's really heavily beaded. It's got gold sequins, black, It's really pretty. And then this one is pink. It's a nice big piece of that with gold. This one I love. And then this is all sequins on the bottom and like a rose gold. This is a navy blue with this beautiful beaded flower on it, but it's like beautiful silk. It's so shiny. And then here is another beaded piece with the pearls and the big stones. Really lovely. This is like a dark pink, and that's one side, but honestly I like this side. This is the back of it, but it's kind of got like that thicker sort of fuzzy look to it. So I kind of like that side better, but of course you can use for whatever you want. This is also a pink piece. Very beautifully embroidered pieces. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then there's this piece. And then this piece has the mirrors and the sequins on it. Super, super sparkly. And then there is this piece with the mirrors on it. And this is like a red. I would say that's more of an apple red. And then this is gold. But as you can see, there's lots here that you can cut these out for your journals. You know, you can do all kinds of things with this. They would make beautiful boho beads as well. I mean, just putting that on a page in a journal would be amazing. You could cut this flower out, and then you could cut this piece out if you wanted to. You could make little tabs for your journals with this fabric. You know, just think of the possibilities of layering these up. They would look amazing. You know, you could just put that piece on a page and then layer maybe this on top of it. It would be so, so pretty. So there's 25 pieces in this kit, and I'm offering it here on YouTube for $28. And after that, it's going to be available in my Etsy, whatever doesn't sell. So let me know if you're interested. My email is below. It is PayPal only. And just message me if you're interested. I have also some Sari yardage that I'm going to be putting in the store this weekend, so watch out for that. And some of these pieces will be in yardage in the store. This one for sure. This one too. The blue velvet one will be as well. Like, there's several that's in here that I've got like a lot of yardage. So they'll be in the shop this weekend. And that is the kit. So let me know if you're interested. $28 plus shipping, PayPal, and all the info to email me is in the description box below. So that's it, guys. Thanks. And if you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye.